So this is the Toolan Care Pro bit set. I think it's probably one of the most complete sets you can find in this compact design like this. Now, of course, they have the the icon, which is kind of bulky compared to this. The reason I'm comparing these two is this one's got metric and SAE, and this one's got metric and SAE. As you can see, you just lift up the little plastic lid here, and it goes from 5.5 millimeter to 14 millimeter. And here it goes from 3/16 to 9/16. So that's a full array of little bits, SAE and metric. No longer do I have to carry around an extra little bit rail because I'm using this WeHi Pro Buddy or the Tool Check Plus or the Hazette or anything like that. So this is pretty much complete, which I like. I mean, everything's in one location. I mean, these aren't a problem to put in the bag, but it's just something else that you can lose. Like I've already lost this one little extension here, where everything here kind of stays intact. Now, if you look, you pull this down on the bottom and you got a full array of bits here. I mean, every bit you could possibly need as far as I'm concerned. You got your hex plus, you got your security Torx, which also act, of course, as Torx. You just got a complete line of bits here. This is your socket adapter here. I'm going to keep this out. Now up here, you've got a little ratchet here. You just pull this up and pull it out. And it's a flex head ratchet. Not locking, but it is a flex head ratchet. There's your little switch there for your... as you can see, it's not a through bit. You have to use this to put your sockets on. Then you can grab any socket here. Very fine tooth ratchet also. Now these sockets are pretty well made. They got knurling here where you can start it by hand, of course. And as you can see, it's just a nice chrome finish on here. These are made of chrome vanadium steel. This is a 14 millimeter. Just a very nice socket that they have included in these. The icon, of course, you also have your SAE and your metric. Very complete set. I really like this set, but this set's $80. This set's anywhere between $65 and $80 if you can find it. This is the WeHi Pro Buddy. This is the Tool Check Plus. It's going to be anywhere between $88 to $100 from Vera. This one's only $40. Now, there's only one place I found you can buy these, and that's on the Toolant website. I tried to put a link from Amazon, but I can't do it. So I did put a link to Toolant.com on here. I'm not, of course, not going to be making anything off of it, but just for you guys to ease of ordering, you can just click on that link, and you'll find this in there. Just an awesome set here. We take this back out. Take it out, we'll put this back. We'll put our ratchet back. And here is a magnetic bit holder. Let's see how that works here. Yeah, you pull it down and insert. And it just automatically springs back and it's locked in. This is the locking bit holder. Pull it down, it just pops out. This goes in here very easily right here. So, and over here you have a handle. Now, there's no strap or anything like the Tool Check Plus. You just pull it down, and this little retaining clip here is what's holding this ratchet. So it fits in, of course, just like that. Very nice. This is a nice complete set. Now, one thing about it is a little bit thicker, as you can see here from the Vera. It is a little thicker. The main reason is, instead of the Vera's got these sockets hanging on the bottom. Well, since they put a complete set in here, they had to put 2 rows and they stood them up. That's really the reason you got all of this. Depth here. But still, I think it would fit in most bags where the Tool Check Plus fits. It's just a little bit thicker, but as you can see, it's about the same size. This way, it's about the same size. So, it should fit. The thing may be a little bit heavier because, of course, you do have the extra bits here. You've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 16 bits in here. Just a very nice unit. I just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. $40. What a deal. I mean, this really is a good deal. Compared to, $65 to $80, $100, $80 for the icon. $40, guys. Go to Toolant.com if you want it and check it out. It may be something good for you to put in your bags. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching this. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. Put out 2 to 3 videos a week. And if you guys are interested in more of something like this, just subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later.